Hey guys, Friday, November 1st, 2024, U.S. session closed. Let's see what the Black Widow did today. So far, you can see that she is trending lower, and it looks like she may want to fill that gap. Now the question remains, is she just going to fill this gap and then bounce for one more time to try out and test 301? Maybe 316? I don't know. I'm going to be looking into it over the weekend. But so far, we know seasonality, she starts going down. Another question is this the peak? And she starts hibernating. We don't know yet. But so far, the path of least resistance is to the downside. And we got this gap fill. So let's see what my geometry chart. I'm just going to focus on that. Today, Andrew's Pitchfork, APF. This would be an area that I want to watch if we ever get down here to maybe accumulate. It all depends. How long does it take for her to get down here and if this is going to hold. Channels, we couldn't continue on this channel on the upside. So you can see this sign of weakness. Here's another channel. It may find support. It may not. It might probably dig in. You could probably create another channel going down this way. I mean, it could get a little crazy here, but you could create another channel. We could probably delete this one since this one didn't work out well to clean things up. Let's see. Cycles. Some of these worked out. These two worked out. These are static cycles. And we're entering a cluster of static cycles here from, you could say, November 4th, 5th, all the way to November 7th, 8th. So I want to see what's going to happen here. We get down there, or once we cross that road. FT levels, you can see that we fail. This is your next one, 238 to 239. If we were to use that. Gann fans, this is pretty much the retail setup so far. Below here. So you can see that maybe we could find support there. We'll see. Gann grid. And this is from, is that 363? Yeah, that's the October 27 high. I spread out the Gann grid with my first impulse, and you can see that even the Gann grid itself, this one probably worked out really well. And then this is your midpoint from that first impulse of the October 27th high. You can see that this would probably be support 258, which is a 25%. And let's see, the 3-5 high, which is this one. So this is our low of this year, 152, February 20th. That's your first, maybe we had a fractal impulse, but I'm going to go with this one because this one kind of spreads out. And you can see this is the 1 by 1, and you can see that it failed here in the 1 by 2, and it's finding support at the 1 by 3. Want to see if that's going to hold. If not, it's obviously going to fill the gap. And if it's going to push lower, I don't know why I have 232. I have to delete that. There's a reason why I have that, but it doesn't make sense with the Gann grid. So we'll delete that and keep it simple. Let's go gap fill. So we need to get down to at least 251. And if it's going to fill, I think that's what's going to do. And if it's going to continue, going down through the seasonality of November, December, it could potentially fill all this up. But we don't know yet. Maybe it just fills this one and bounce. We'll see. Let's see. Trend line. Let's just go straight to trend line. It's failed here. There's some support coming here. So these are a couple areas I'm watching. So far, the resistance above was good. And this is my SO. So I was thinking that from here, we turn and continue going higher and maybe stall here. So far, that's not looking like it's going to play out. What is this? This is the first. So Monday, 5th, 6th, was it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday's the 7th. This is the 7th right here. I don't know if next week is going to be, bounce and push higher, at least test here. So I don't know if this is going to play out for next week. I think maybe we could probably fill this up, and I don't know if we're going to make, or at least take out this high into the 7th. But I have it there just in case to see what's going to happen. But I don't know if it's going to do all that for next week. There's a lot of things I got to look, especially the commitments of traders report and all that. 259, an area I'm watching. And also 264, which we just kissed today. Swing chart. These are dates for high volatility, which was what, the 31st. And the 31st, you see that it got slammed down and even continued pushing lower. I got to start looking into other dates into November and December for high volatility negative days. And I haven't worked on that yet. So that's something in my projects of working on that gas to work out some for November and December for high volatility days in regards to selling pressure to the downside. Is that it? I think that's it. That is it. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.